Sir, can you tell something about Vasanta Tools?
Good afternoon. We started this tool room in 1989 with a few basic machines and 10 employees in a rented premises of about 500 square feet. Today we employ more than 300 people and we run more than 30 to 40 CNC machines, and we export about 50% of our products by value, and our turnover today is about 90 crores. And we have an automated cell wherein a robotic arm operates 7 machines and it can run unmanned, means no people are required to run that cell. So with this, the quality of the output and the time taken for the output is much lower, and quality of the output also goes up. With this, our capacities and capabilities have gone up really. In past 2 to 3 years, we have been doing a lot of complex molds, and today we make bi-injection molds, stack molds, and we supply more than 10 MNCs all over the world, and we export even far countries like Brazil, even the nearest country like China. We export molds to China weighing about 5 tons to 6 tons, and all the Southeast Asian countries also we export. Thank you.
What message you want to give it to the Die Mold India and the exhibition and the visitors who are coming here?
Yeah, we do have our own challenges. I mean, our interest rates are high, capital equipment cost is high, the interest on the capital investment is high, and the employees are not employable, means you don't get the right manpower. We need to train our own manpower. But after all this, we also have infrastructural problems. You don't get all the standard parts, you don't have a right vendor base. But even with all these problems, today there are some tool rooms within India which are growing, which are exporting, which are making global impact. So we are also proud to say that we are one of them. And there are many tool rooms within India. So this is not a easy job. I mean, tool room is always kind of a owner-driven activity, and you need to concentrate more, you need to work more. Owner has to drive the company. You can't leave it to somebody and go home or go somewhere and then somebody can't work for you. So there are limitations, but within that limitations, if one can work and put in a lot of hard work and focus, definitely one can grow. But you can't grow within 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. It's a long-term plan. Today we are here, we are at this stage after 25 years. This is 25th year. So it takes a long time. You need to be focused. You need to be concentrating. Focused market segment, focused strategy, and focused hard work, or whatever you call it. Thank you.
Thank you for being with Plastics TV.